Exactly.
What's up, guys? In this video, we're pond hopping across Durham, North Carolina. My name is Quade Lucas, and this is Piece of Bass Fishing. Stay tuned to the end for a big fish.
Alright, so let's make a few pitches down here. See if we can't get anything to bite, like right here, guys. Ooh, nibble. Got it. Not a big fish, but it's a success, guys. Success. He's got some teeth though. Not a big fish. Not really. But I mean, I'll throw him on the scale. Might be just under a pound. Alright. Another one. Yeah, fish, yo. Not great, not bad. Alright, once I catch like 20 more fish, we're good. Yeah, just like 20 more. No way. We gotta catch some fish, man. We need to stay for 5 pounds. This might be fat. I don't want to, bro. He keeps throwing them off. Nah, he's pretty skinny too. Little bugger. Come on, buddy. Quit flopping around, buddy. Not bad, y'all. I ripped it out of his mouth. Yeah, he's gone. Dude. Why? I got a fish too, dude. Bro, not bad. This biggest one today. This gotta be a pound. It might be. 1 pound 3 ounces. Let's go, baby. That's the best of the day, I think. Folks, Zach wanted to leave biting fish. Look at this fish. I wouldn't have caught him if Zach didn't leave. Zach, big fish, big fish. Zach, big fish, Zach. 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 Big fish, big fish. Big fish, big fish. Yo. 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 No way. No way, no way. Yo, hold him up for the camera, hold him for the camera. Yo. Look at his head, bro, look at his head.
His eyes are huge.
Bro.
Alright, bro, we got his weight.
Yeah, we absolutely will. Look at this hook out.
Big ass stuff.
No. No. Got a better grip on him. Yeah, absolutely. Four, y'all. Folks, this is the last cast of the night before we go get margaritas. Thanks, bass. Piece of bass, man. Look at that piece of bass. Look at this guy. He's just floating away. Dude, we did it! That's what we came out for. And that was about it. Let's go!
Guys, that's a piece of bass fishing. I'm Quade Lucas. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so we can bring you some more content. Leave a comment down below about the biggest fish you've ever caught or what videos you want to see us do in the future. We're always recording and looking for ideas. Thanks again. Have a good one.